Looking for a reliable mailbox that balances style, durability, and convenience? The Gibraltar Mailbox-To-Go offers a medium capacity perfect for handling daily mail, magazines, and small packages without clutter. Its size fits well for most households, making it a practical upgrade for your curb appeal. This mailbox isn't just about looks. Crafted from heavy-duty galvanized steel, it promises strength and stability that stand up to the test of time. The black powder-coated finish adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring it resists rust and weather damage no matter the season. Installation is a breeze with the Mailbox-To-Go. Designed for simple in-ground setup, you can have it up and ready in minutes. The package includes the mailbox, a slim yet sturdy dual-reinforced steel post, and all the mounting hardware you need. No extra trips to the hardware store required. What sets this mailbox apart is its thoughtful design. The decorative scroll detail on the post adds a touch of classic charm without sacrificing modern durability. Plus, being made in the USA guarantees quality craftsmanship and materials you can trust. If you're tired of mailboxes that wear out or don't fit your delivery needs, this is a solid choice. The medium capacity means you won't have to worry about missing small box deliveries or overflowing mail, keeping your daily routine smooth and hassle-free. Customers across the United States praise the Gibraltar Mailbox-To-Go for its easy assembly and attractive appearance. Adding address-reflecting stickers personalizes it further, making your mailbox both functional and stylish. Worth a look if you want a mailbox that combines practicality with lasting durability. It's the kind of upgrade that quietly improves your home's curb appeal and everyday convenience without breaking the bank. If that's you, consider the Gibraltar Mailbox-To-Go. With its robust construction, weather-resistant finish, and medium capacity, it's ready to handle your mail and packages reliably for years to come. Try it when you're ready to make your mailbox replacement simple and smart.